Hello and welcome to this modern luxury interiors delivered recently at Aparna Serenity, Kompally, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to blend opulence with contemporary designs.
This apartment is a very beautiful combination of concealed storages, beautifully designed wardrobes, and luxurious ceilings.
Attention to details of this house in every corner makes it functional as well as aesthetically pleasing.
Now, let us take you a tour of this amazing house and show you those hidden details. As we begin our walkthrough, you'll notice the beautiful onyx lookalike TV unit and the living wall paneling, creating a stunning focal point in the living room. The metal ripple sheet in the ceiling further accentuates this space, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance. Now let's have a look at the serene Pooja unit. The intricate CNC doors add elegance, while concealed seating ensures comfort and ample storage keeps the space organized. The blend of traditional design and modern functionality creates a tranquil environment for your spiritual practices. Now let's enter into the kitchen area. This kitchen is designed in a beige theme which is not only timeless but also adds a sense of calm and spaciousness to the kitchen, making it an ideal choice for the central hub of the home. Adding a touch of luxury and sophistication, we have incorporated rose gold mirrors and rose gold profiles. We arrive at the guest bedroom, where subtlety meets elegance. The gorgeous groove detailing adds depth and character, creating a serene and welcoming atmosphere for our guests. Moving into the master bedroom, we are greeted by the warm and inviting wicker laminate and a beautiful sage green color scheme. This space is not only aesthetically pleasing but also designed with vastu compliance in mind, featuring a hideaway mirror to ensure harmony and balance. Next, we enter the child's room, an astronomical haven designed to ignite the imagination. The handmade moon ceiling and customized space-themed wallpaper transports us to a cosmic adventure. The wardrobe, finished with laminate and duco, adds a touch of modernity while providing ample storage space.
Hope you have enjoyed the tour. My favorite part of the house is definitely the wall behind me. This defines luxury.
And my favorite part of the house is this ripple sheet. It gives you such a luxurious look and it simply amps up the space.
Thank you.